Powerful prayer for mental and physical healing. Dear Divine Healer, in the depths of my being, I come before you with a vulnerable heart, seeking your intimate presence and touch of healing. You know the hidden corners of my soul, the burdens I carry, and the pain that weighs me down. I lay them all before you, trusting in your boundless love and mercy. Please grant me the healing I so desperately need. Heal my mind, which feels clouded by worry, anxiety, and self-doubt. Lift the heavy veil of darkness that shrouds my thoughts, and replace them with clarity, peace, and a renewed sense of purpose. Help me find solace in your presence, knowing that I am not alone in this journey. I also ask for your healing touch upon my physical body. Mend the wounds, soothe the aches, and restore balance and vitality. Guide me toward the paths of wellness and guide me to the right treatments and therapies that will bring me relief. In this sacred moment of prayer, I surrender my pain and suffering to you, knowing that you bear the ultimate power to heal. Grant me the strength to release any bitterness, resentment, or fear that may hinder my healing process. Fill my heart with forgiveness, love, and gratitude, for I understand the profound connection between emotional well-being and physical health. Divine Healer, I trust in your divine timing and plan. If it is your will, please grant me a complete restoration of health. But if my journey is one of learning, growth, and resilience, then grant me the courage and resilience to navigate the challenges with grace and unwavering faith. In this intimate space of prayer, I find solace, hope, and a deep sense of connection with you. Thank you for listening to the whispers of my soul and for the healing that flows from your divine touch. May your love surround me, body and soul, bringing me the peace, strength, and wholeness that I seek. With a heart full of gratitude and trust, I offer this personal prayer for mental and physical healing. Amen.